Firstly, to us, being included in this national project was for us very encouraging, as we see it as maybe for the first time the whole concept of inclusion was very evident, in that as organizations serving this sector, we were requested to be partners, in that it was felt that the information for persons within the sector would be best developed by agencies serving the disability sector. Many reviews have been done, and you're all au fait with what went wrong and how unprepared we thought we were. But regardless of what, we stood up to the challenges and have come out in a way that our capacity has been increased, our knowledge has increased, and all in all, the project in itself has been a tremendous experience. Part of the experience for us was the collaboration between agencies, sitting them down, engaging each other to have the appropriate message, which was a common one, but at least appropriate either to children with intellectual disabilities, or the deaf, or the blind, or those that make up the gamut of the area. This association, the services we provide should have included in a formal way sexual and reproductive health. But as you all know, resources do not necessarily allow you to do all of what you can do. This particular project allowed us to develop programs which meant that we needed to interface with parents, with all the students in terms of the target group, because the main focus was for the development of materials which would later inform their behavior in that particular area. And for that, we needed to know what it is that they knew about sexual and reproductive health. So there it is now. We needed to engage both the parents, service providers, the guidance counselors, and clients themselves, for whom this material would be targeted. What makes the development of the material so interesting and relevant? They told us what it is that they wanted to know, and more importantly, they told us what they knew, and we were able to say, oh, okay. Because myth, we had to sort of break it down and get them to understand. So the materials that is a part of the project itself are what we would call genuine and relevant, based on information from the clients themselves, parents as well as and practitioners within the field.